Hello, good day, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Active Directory, create a domain, and getting these machines to join a domain. First off, I'll go to Windows Server 2008. Right here. Right, next this off. Right. As you can see in my network, all these machines are connected. Now to get these machines connected, first off we have to go to all these machines, go to the network center. This is Windows 7 right here. Network sharing center. For Windows 7, you need to go into change advanced sharing settings, and you need to turn on the network discovery. Turn on file sharing printer to take off the password. Right. For Windows Vista, same thing. Go into network. As you can see, all the machines are connected here as well. Network sharing center. And you can see all the networks network discovery is on this as well. Windows Server 8, you need to turn on your network sharing as well, as you can see here. And for Windows XP, now to get Windows XP to join the network, you'll have to go into the virtual box. Go into settings. Hold on. For XP, this one right here, XP. Go into settings. Go into network. Then you will need to change your network adapter to PCNet Fast 3. I can't do it right here because my XP is running right now. But if you the chance, go into settings, network, adapter type, and change it to PC network fast 3, so that your XP will connect to the net, get its IP address and everything, and yeah, it will join the network. Now, next, go back to Windows Server. Now I have all 4 of these machines here. I want to create a domain. Create a domain. So first off, I want all of them to be in a domain together. So first off, I need to go and create a domain with the computer. Go into manage. Next, you'll see this here. You go into roles. You add a role. Then you go into next, and you need to take Active Directory domain services. Right. Then you go next. Next again. Next. Then you click. Let's hold on. Right, okay. Then after that, click install. Again, installing. Right. It's finished now. Windows automatic. Okay. Okay, close. Right, now that Active Directory is finished installed, next you'll go into next you're going to start, run PC promo. Okay. Now they'll check back the directories, and we get the directory domain service installation. And we go next. They give us a warning here. Next, create a new domain. Next, domain name. We call it Aaron dot domain. Right, you call it Aaron domain dot domain. Go next. It's checking if this name is already used. Just gonna check that. Right. Now we pick which function. If you alright, with this now, depending on which server you pick, if you pick the latest version, you can't go back and use this version, Windows 2000. So be careful about this one. I'm gonna use Windows Server 2008. I'm gonna go next. DNS checked. Next. Yes. Yes. This is the folders here. Right. Next. Gonna have right. Next. Right. Now it's finished. Yeah. The computer will ask you to restart. Let's do that now. Restart it now. Back, as you can see, it's now saying Aaron administrator. Right. Good. Okay, now if I go to start network, I think Windows Server is in the Aaron's domain and Windows Vista is in the work group. We can't right now see Windows 7 or Windows XP, but don't worry about that, we can still get them in the domain. So I think I'll start with Windows 7. First up, first thing we're gonna do, go to that. Save all this. First thing we're gonna do, go to computer, right click, go to properties. Now I wanna make Windows 7 join the server's domain, but first I must check to make sure that my network, hold on, X this off for a second. It's in my network settings. Go to network settings. Properties. Check for properties. Go into protocol version 4. And I need to make sure and set the IP address. Well, I already set my IP address. You can see 192.168.56.106. The subnet always the same as you check here, and the default gateway, I made sure my default gateway is the same as my server 2008, as my server 2008 IP address here, as you can see. Right, same. And my preferred DNS is the same as the server 2008 IP address. Okay, cool. Now we can continue and we're going to make Windows 7 join the domain. properties, change, domain, okay, right. Type the administrative account. Password. Alright, link. Right, and it says welcome to the errands domain. Click OK. It'll tell us to restart. Click OK. Click close. Starts now. As you can see here, it wants to join, but I'll switch users and domain /admin the administrator account. And you can see here, it's logging me in. Alright. And now if you go to the computer, go into our properties here, you can see it's in the errand.domain account now. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. That's how you add Windows 7 client to the Windows Server domain. You can just go into Start, Administrative Tools, Active Directory, Use our computers, and you can check compute. And if you go in computers, you can see Windows 7 is here. See it right here. 11.7.